Hello, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign up on your OpenAI GPT app without using your mobile number. Just tap your OpenChat app and log in if you already had an account. Click sign up if you're going to create an account. Then, to create an account, you're going to type your email address on the email address tab. Then, click continue. You can also tap continue with Google if you want. Then, after clicking continue, you can now type your password. And that's it. You already had an account and you can enjoy your new chat app. Thank you for watching.